Did you check your bag for everything?
Yep, checked it 3 times. I'm good to go.
What's your favorite part of today's plan?
Recess, duh. I can't wait to play soccer with my friends.
Are you going to wear your sneakers?
Yeah, I'm gonna wear my cool sneakers with the lightning bolts on them.
What shoes are you wearing today?
I'll wear my sparkly shoes today. They make me feel fast.
Did you pack your art supplies?
Yep, my art supplies are packed. I can't wait to show my drawing.
Do you need a snack for recess?
I want crackers for snack, or maybe an apple.
Where's your library book?
Oops. I forgot my library book. Let me grab it real quick.
Do you have your pencils and pens?
Got my pencils, but I think one's missing. Oh well.
Do you have your pencils and pens?
Yep. My pencils are super sharp and ready for writing.
Do you need help with anything else?
Nope, I'm all set, just gotta put my shoes on.
What do you want to do at recess?
I wanna play tag at recess and run super fast.
Is your hair brushed neatly?
Yeah, I brushed my hair. I think it looks cool like this.
Did you pack your sports equipment?
Gym clothes, check. I won't forget this time.
Did you put on sunscreen?
Sunscreen? But it's not even hot out. Okay, I'll put it on anyway.
Are you taking your favorite toy to school?
I want to take my action figure to show my friends. It's so awesome.
Did you bring your permission slip?
Oh no, I forgot the permission slip. Can you sign it, Mom?
What's for lunch today?
Lunch is a sandwich, but I kinda want pizza instead.
Do you have your calculator for math class?
Yep, I've got my calculator. I'm all set for math.
Do you need your music instrument today?
Music day today. I'm bringing my recorder.
Are you bringing your snack money?
I put my snack money in my pocket. I hope I don't lose it.
Is today a special event at school?
There's a school assembly today. I hope it's fun.
Did you check if your uniform is clean?
Yep, my uniform is clean, but I got a little toothpaste on it.
Did you pack your art project?
Oh yeah, I almost forgot my art project. Thanks for reminding me.
What book are you reading today?
I'm reading a cool book about dragons. It's awesome.
Do you have your school ID?
School ID? Got it. I don't want to lose that again.
What time is the bus coming?
The bus comes in 10 minutes. Do I have enough time?
Did you put your school shoes by the door?
My school shoes are by the door, but I like my sneakers better.
What are you looking forward to today?
I can't wait for recess today. I hope we play tag.
Do you need extra pencils?
I'm good with pencils, but I'll take an extra one just in case.
Did you prepare your project for school?
My project is ready. I hope the teacher likes it.
Is today the school play?
Yep, school play is today. I hope I remember my lines.
Do you need your science experiment materials?
Science experiment stuff packed. I'm gonna make a volcano.
What lessons do you have today?
Math, reading, and I think we have art today.
Are you bringing anything for show and tell?
I'm bringing my favorite stuffed animal for show and tell.
Did you bring your lunch money?
I have lunch money, but I might trade with a friend.
Do you need your raincoat today?
Raincoat? No way. It's sunny outside.
Are you wearing your favorite sweater?
Yep, wearing my favorite sweater. It's super comfy.
Did you pack your gloves and hat?
Hat, gloves, and scarf. I'm all bundled up like a snowman.
Do you have your folder for schoolwork?
My folder's in my backpack. I'm not losing it this time.
Did you do your reading assignment?
Reading assignment done. I can't wait to talk about it in class.
Do you want help finding your shoes?
Shoes? Oh no, where did I put them?
Are you going to ride your bike today?
Yep, I'm riding my bike today. I'm gonna go super slow.
Did you find your homework?
Homework found. It was hiding under my bed.
Are you excited to see your friends?
I can't wait to see my friends and play soccer.
Did you check your school schedule?
School schedule is in my planner. I hope I don't forget anything.
What game do you want to play at recess?
I want to play hopscotch at recess today.
Did you put everything in your bag?
Everything's packed. I'm ready to roll.
Are you ready to go?
Yep, all ready to go. Can we leave now?
Did you charge your tablet?
Tablet's charged. I'm all set for school.
What time does school start today?
School starts at 8:30. Are we gonna make it on time?
Did you take your vitamins?
I took my vitamins, but they taste funny.
Is your water bottle filled up?
Water bottle filled up, and I won't spill it this time.
Did you prepare for your test today?
I'm ready for the test. I studied, a little bit.
Do you need extra clothes for after school?
I packed extra clothes for after school, just in case.
Are you ready for your school photos?
It's picture day. I hope my hair looks good.
Did you practice your spelling words?
Yep, practiced my spelling words. I think I'm gonna ace it.
What will you do after school?
After school, I wanna play outside. Can I?
Did you pack your lunch in the fridge?
Lunch is in the fridge. I'll grab it before I leave.
Do you need help with your buttons?
Can you help me with these buttons? They're tricky.
Did you check if your homework is done?
Yep, double-checked my homework. It's all done.
Do you have your class assignment?
Class assignment is in my folder. I won't forget this time.
Are you feeling prepared for the day?
I'm ready for today. Let's go, Mom.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can.
How is the weather?
It is very hot.
How is the weather?
It is very hot.
Who is dancing?
I don't know.
Is it yours?
Yes, it's mine.
In which class do you study?
I study in class 9.
Where is the book?
The book is on the chair.
Do you need any help in packing?
I can do by myself, thank you.
What's the matter?
I am not feeling so good.
Where are you going?
I am going to the store.
What did you say?
I said I don't like it.
Why did you quit?
Because it was too stressful.
What did she make?
She made cookies.
Why did he run away?
She was afraid.
Why you?
I don't know why me.
Why did you buy a flower?
I bought it for my mom.
Why did you get so angry?
Because you don't listen to me.
What did you have for lunch?
I usually lunch at noon.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I enjoy.
What's your favorite music genre?
I love rock music.
What is that?
That is my bag.
What happened?
I am sick.
What did he say?
She said to calm down.
What time is it?
It's 8 o'clock.
What did you buy?
I bought a cake.
What do you want?
I want your bicycle.
What is going on?
I am watching mobile.
Where are we?
We are in the US.
Where are you?
I am at home.
Why are you crying?
I am lost.
Who is he?
He's my teacher.
Which one do you want?
I want the red one.
Why do you lie?
I was scared.
Who is this?
It's mine.
Where is my book?
It's in the library.
Where did you go?
I went to school.
Whose guitar is this?
This is our guitar.
Whose idea is it?
It is my idea.
When will they arrive?
They will arrive by 6 p.m.
Who broke this?
My son broke this.
Whose friend is she?
She is my friend.
Which is mine?
This is yours.
Who stole the apple?
Snow White stole the apple.
Which is your pen?
This is my pen.
Whose is this?
It's mine.
When are you busy?
I am busy today.
Which is better?
This is better.
Which is our car?
This is our car.
How about tomorrow?
Good idea.
How should I know?
She told you.
How was your day?
It was good.
Why are you late?
Because I missed my bus.
Where is your bag?
It is in the back.
How many books are there?
There are 4 books.
Who are they?
They are students.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't.
May I go?
Yes, you may.
Are you mad?
No, I am not.
Who are you?
Your sister.
Are you lost?
Yes, I am lost.
Can you come along?
Yes, I can.
Are you tired?
No, I am not.
Where are you?
I am at my home.
You look busy?
No, it's not like that.
You look sick?
Yes, I am.
You should go?
Don't worry, I will be there on time.
Are you hungry?
No, I am not.
Can I help you?
Yes, you can.
Do you know us?
Yes, I do.
Are you all right?
Yes, I am.
You should sleep.
I don't want to.
Where did you go?
I went for shopping.
Are you a doctor?
Yes, I am.
Are you Japanese?
No, I am not.
Are you new here?
Yes, I am.
Do you like singing?
Yes, I love singing.
Have you eaten?
No, I haven't.
What are you doing?
I am reading a storybook.
May I join you?
Yes, you may.
What are you doing?
I am watching mobile.
Do you agree?
Yes, I do.
Where are you going?
I am going to a party.
What did you buy?
A cup.
What are you doing?
I am playing in the mud.
Who is she?
She is a baker.
What is this?
It is a pen.
Who is that?
She is an artist.
Who are they?
They are musicians.
Who is he?
He is an engineer.
What are those?
They are hangers.
Who is this?
He is a scientist.
What is that?
It is a flower.
What is that?
It is a cat.
Who are they?
Those are keys.
Who is she?
He is a pilot.
What is this?
Those are watches.
What is that?
They are friends.
Who are she?
She is a nurse.
What is that?
It is a tree.